see the mountain around us, I feel Subhanallah. When I see the bird playing in the sky, I feel Astaghfirullah. When I see the disabled person on the earth, I feel Allah Akbar. Starting with the greatest name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent, who changed day to night and night into day, who give me power to listening and speaking. Honorable the chief guest, invited director and respect teacher and shining star of the Jamiatul Maruf. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I want to discuss the current situation of Pakistan. As we know, the current situation of Pakistan is going very bad because the first reason, like about education system, political system, the first reason we cannot follow the Islam which tell us. There is no discussed. Why? Because there is no equality in right, not equality. With poor and rich in our country, there is just respect on power of money. If someone have much money, there are more respect and more power in Pakistan. Then there is most common, which is the corruption. All countries, all parliaments, either there are shopkeeper, boss, farmer. The more corruption is Dubai. Parliaments, members, either MNA, MP, or the all South Parliament is the corruption. The background is back. The corruption is in Islam taboo, but is the Indian country only name of the recovery. There are the some for the non-Muslim countries. By this reason, our country goes there backward of Pakistan. In our country, with the 79 years, he is not faced. Nowadays we will see there is some target of Allah Almighty, which is showing the sky. The alert of the time earthquake. Our ulama say this is the proof of Allah Almighty. The solution is that our intelligent institute, the hand back of Pakistan, Parliament, hand back the border, remove corruption, wanted discussed. The most one is come. The one day is come, which is the judgment of Allah Almighty. Thank you for listening my prophet.
मैं दावत खिताब देता हूँ